Uncle Josh, go ahead.
I'm skateboarding, Uncle Josh.
Let's show him your skateboard. Show him your skateboard. There's his skateboard. Okay. Now go do your tricks for him. That's all right. Probably have to skateboard a little more on it first. Nice.
Over here.
Okay.
Follow me.
Follow you? Okay.
Oh.
It flipped off. That's all right. Nice jump. Nice jump. Okay, say bye for now. Nice jump.